Nambardar Ali, a young and ambitious man, had always been driven by his passion for success. He worked tirelessly to build his career, neglecting his relationships and his own well-being. One day, while working on a project, Nambardar Ali met a beautiful and kind-hearted woman named Aisha. They fell deeply in love, and for the first time, Nambardar Ali felt a sense of purpose beyond his career. Tragedy struck when Aisha fell ill, and Nambardar Ali was devastated. He realized too late that he had taken their time together for granted. Aisha's passing left a scar on his heart, a reminder of the love they shared and the memories they made. As Nambardar Ali struggled to come to terms with his loss, he began to question his priorities. He realized that his relentless pursuit of success had blinded him to the beauty of life and the importance of relationships. In the end, Nambardar Ali emerged from his grief with a newfound appreciation for life and a sense of purpose. He continued to work hard but never forgot the lessons he learned from his love and loss. The scar on his heart remained, but it served as a reminder to cherish every moment and never take love for granted. This story is a poignant reminder that love and loss can be powerful teachers, and that the scars we carry can also be a source of strength and wisdom. For the Nambardar TV program, this story can be adapted into a dramatic episode, highlighting the themes of love, loss, and personal growth. The character of Nambardar Ali can be played by a talented actor, and the story can be brought to life through engaging dialogue and poignant scenes.